In this video, I'm going to show you how to change lock screen clock on Android. So first, you just go ahead and click on your settings and then select lock screen and wallpaper. So in here, just click on always on display and then click on off screen styles. So this is where you can see different styles on how you want your clock will be on your lock screen. So you can choose the like a watch clock. You can also use the clock with the date at the side and then the battery percent. So once you've decided, just click on apply. Now this is what it looks like when you enable this. There you go. So you can click on preview to see on how it looks like. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.